I got this metal earth f-22 Raptor a little while ago, and I decided I'm going to start putting it together. So far it looks like it's going pretty well, and it's been pretty easy so far. I'm not sure as it goes on. Really all you need to do is line up the tabs, and there's two different ways you can secure them. You can either twist them in place or you can kind of fold them over. I've been twisting them in place, and I like that idea because it seems to twist and hold the pieces down a little bit better. Alright, and I finished it. It probably took maybe about an hour. It was one of their simpler models. It was just something I wanted to try, and I think it turned out pretty good. It's not perfect, but if I did another one, there's a few things I'd be able to do better, but I think for the most part this looks really cool. This thing's actually pretty detailed with some of the engravings in the steel. Like right there's a little badge, and then on both sides of the wing it has some different numbers and letters engraved there. I think it's pretty cool.